What's good, YouTube? Um, I know my quality is booty, but just a short video. I failed. I failed this year, and I'm 19. Next year I'm turning 20, and it's gonna be the first time that I failed in grade 10. I know, I'm dumb, but it's just a life lesson. I prayed 3 times last night, but it's a life lesson. This computer that I'm having right now, computer. If you see this piece right here, it's a life lesson. Yeah, always on the computer, don't study. And my dream job right now is to become a YouTuber, and I always want to be a YouTuber since when I was like 16, 17. I started watching my favorite YouTuber Corey Kingston, and 4 people inspired me to become a YouTuber. First one is Corey Kingston, my favorite YouTuber. Second one is Mr. Beast. Third one is Phantom from IMP. He's my favorite streamer. He actually motivated me to become a streamer, but I don't want to become a streamer. I just want to become a YouTuber. And 4 people, and some of the rappers, Juice WRLD, Hot Wave, Juice WRLD, Hot Wave. Those are the people they motivate me to move on with life. And my heart is so right now that I failed this year, grade 10. But next year, definitely become better. Definitely, God is always there protecting me. I know I prayed 3 times, but God is always there protecting me. I will never fail God. I prayed every night, but I still love God. I still be there for God. I'm gonna be praying every night, and I, and thank you all for supporting me. I know I don't have people views and likes. If I get money someday in years, 4 years, I will definitely I'm looking at good quickly. It's but I will definitely new camera. I will definitely new piece of you. If you want to see like my name is published. You know, my name is published. So yeah, I can still remember. I can forget my name. To uh, I want to be a gamer actually. You know, but in playing PC guys. I but it's you can what is about yeah. This is my first video. It's been 11 months. Just my demo. It's my first video. Y'all can see here. It's got the 2 RAM, 4 GB. Just um, but I will definitely play like low games, you know, and if I get money on YouTube, then I will buy a PC and yeah, buy a new PC, buy new everything. It's for the fans. I just, yeah. But see you guys. It's a great job on YouTube. First day on 25. This is the day I got my profile in so yeah. I just want to support my family. I just want to be with my family, take care of them. My mom, dad, my sister's kids. My sister even if kids out. She live her kids by my mom, and she works everything so that's just don't work. She so drugs and so. But yeah, thank you all for listening. I pray to God everything. I pray to God that's the one. Someday, years, maybe 10 years, 2 years, I'll get a big one. And 2026, I will get a big PC, pretty much. But, and you guys, Jangan lupa having for me. Polish. Okay. Yeah, coffee at home. See you guys. And yeah, really, I suppose.